Good morning and welcome to Sepang Circuit in Malaysia. My name's Martin Berry. This is a great opportunity for me to transition from the 458 race car, which was a naturally aspirated non-turbocharged engine, to the 488, which is twin turbocharged, a bit more horsepower, a bit more downforce, and get to know the handling characteristics of the car and fine-tune them ready for the race season. Here in the 458 last time, I was setting times of about 2 minutes 12.2. My objective with the 488 is to get into the sort of 2:10 level. That's the objective. Find 2 seconds over the next 48 hours.
Good. Just before I know it, I'm redlining. Sorry, I got to shift a lot quicker.
Got a slightly better time, but the tyres are pretty much shot because they're old tyres. So we're now putting on some new fresh tyres, and now it's time to push and really see what we can do now. Now into the sort of 211, low 211s, so that's a good step up. It helps that the track's a little bit cooler than it was before, but these tyres are nearly shot. Then we'll get a new set of tyres on fresh for the morning, and we'll try and consolidate the learning and just try and basically bring everything together to see if we can get under 211. Over to let someone pass me, put the indicator on, slowed down, and he decided to come as close to me as possible. Fortunately, it's not a big piece of damage, but one thing that a lot of people don't understand about racing is that it doesn't matter whether it's your fault or someone else's fault, you're still the one that pays the bill. Yeah, good. Managed to hit the target. Got a 210.5. Still got a little bit more in it. I botched up one of the corners, but yeah, I'm quite happy with that. It's a good result. That was my target. This is my trusty engineer, an XF1 guy for Ferrari. I'm in the best of hands. He teaches me a lot, and I'm always very grateful for what I learned from this guy. So this is Ivan. He'll be with me for this season.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so now it's time to draw a close to our 2 days of pre-season testing here up at Sepang in Malaysia. So stay tuned to the YouTube channel. Also, please subscribe, and you can follow along the journey this year of our race series. And thanks a lot for watching. See you later.